Welcome back to another episode of Driving Production. In this episode, we're going to be working again on the FX50. So I'm with Tony today. We've been having a few issues with the FX50 for a little bit now. At 3,500 RPM, it hits the cutoff as if it's hitting redline. So we saw that that's actually in limp mode, and it's throwing the code P0024, which is related to the bank 2 exhaust side. So the bank 2 exhaust side is having something with the camshaft. So after doing a bunch of research, we realized it's the solenoid for that issue. I've actually changed the solenoid on bank 1 thinking it was bank 2. That was a fail for, well,
because of the 35.
Yeah, because the Infiniti G35, from our understanding, it's the opposite. If you're looking at the car, the left side is bank 1, the driver's side is bank 2, but on this one, on the V8, it's the opposite. So driver's side is bank 1, passenger side is bank 2. Today I'm going to be changing the solenoid in bank 2, and hopefully that solves our issue. Have to unscrew that. Alright, so I just took out the front cover for both the intake and the exhaust solenoids. The previous owner had actually replaced, I guess, the intake solenoid. We can see that the exhaust solenoid hasn't been changed in a long time, or hasn't never been changed. Now I'm just going to remove the old solenoid, replace it with the new one, and we'll be able to reseal everything and put it back in the car. Made in Japan. Alright, so we went for a test drive with the FX50. Everything is looking good. The dashboard didn't light up. The car drove very nicely. I took out the FX50 again this morning. When I drove it, the dashboard light turned on, but there's no check engine light that came on. So I think there's other issues because the IBA light is still on no matter what. So it might be related to that, might be related to something else. But so far it seems like the cutoff at 3,500 RPM is not happening anymore. And it seems like the car is driving fine and driving like it should. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.